How to log out Amazon account from all devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out your Amazon account from all devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log out Amazon account from all devices, log into Amazon using your browser, which is amazon.com, and once you go to amazon.com and log into your account, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then right under it you will find your account, which you can use to tap the see all option. Once you come to your account page, keep scrolling. Under account and settings you'll find one of the option that says manage content and devices here, so tap on manage content and devices, and when you tap on manage content and devices, from the content tab just switch over to the devices tab. As you can find it, when you are on the devices tab, you should be able to see a list of devices which could be your Amazon or Prime Video, so you can select Amazon account here, and then any devices that are currently logged into your Amazon account. So all you have to do is tap the deregister button next to the devices that you would like to log out your Amazon account from. This way you can actually remove or log out Amazon account from all devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.